Lost in the woods? Phone died? Don't worry. Today we're breaking down the best handheld GPS devices of 2024. From budget-friendly to feature-packed, we'll find the perfect navigator for your next adventure. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Garmin eTrex Touch 35. The eTrex Touch 35 offers a modern and feature-rich experience in a compact package. Its capacitive touchscreen display provides clear visibility even in bright sunlight, and its map view can rotate with the compass for easy navigation. Despite its small size, it includes advanced features, such as the ability to connect ANT+ devices and an altimeter for accurate altitude readings. Additionally, the US eTrex Touch Edition comes preloaded with 250,000 geocaching routes, making it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. The 35T variant includes topographic maps, offering even more detailed terrain information for hikers and adventurers. Number 2. Garmin Montana 700i or 750i. The Garmin Montana series, particularly the versions with an I at the end of their names, such as the 750i, offer a premium and feature-packed experience. These models feature the InReach messaging system, allowing users to send text messages or request assistance via SOS using the Iridium satellite phone network. Subscription required. Additionally, the 750i variant includes an 8-megapixel camera, although photography enthusiasts may already have dedicated equipment. Despite its slightly bulky size, reminiscent of a larger phone, the large screen is excellent for viewing maps during expeditions. Furthermore, the rechargeable battery can be replaced with traditional AA cells for longer journeys, and Garmin's cellular integrations provide access to useful features such as weather forecasts. Overall, the Montana series is well suited for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers seeking advanced navigation and communication capabilities. Number 3. Garmin eTrex 10 Worldwide. The Garmin eTrex 10 is an excellent choice for a rugged and affordable GPS device. Despite its lower price point, it maintains accuracy through its use of GLONASS and WAS technology. The hotfix feature speeds up location acquisition by remembering previous locations. It offers easy connectivity to computers for geocache downloads and has ample memory capacity for storing waypoints. Its monochrome screen is easily readable in sunlight, and its intuitive menu provides various modes for different activities. Overall, it's a reliable option for basic GPS navigation needs without breaking the bank. Number 4. Garmin Oregon 700. The Garmin GPSMAP 66 series represents a more modern approach to handheld GPS devices, featuring a compact touchscreen interface designed for intuitive navigation similar to smartphones. The device assumes that users will likely have their smartphones with them and offers connectivity features such as camera remote control and real-time weather updates. With ample storage for map tiles and satellite imagery, users can quickly transfer data from their phones or computers. Geocaching enthusiasts will also appreciate the ability to share experiences faster with Geocache Live integration. Overall, the GPSMAP 66 series offers a feature-rich and user-friendly experience for outdoor navigation. Number 5. Garmin GPSMAP 64SX. The Garmin eTrex 22X or eTrex 32X with additional features offers a rugged and budget-friendly option for handheld GPS navigation. With the ability to pair with your phone for text notifications and a weatherproof design, it's suitable for outdoor adventures in various conditions. The device provides ample storage space for maps and satellite imagery, and its log can track a large number of points for extensive journeys. Additionally, it includes geocaching functionality for enthusiasts. For longer trips, it's recommended to use lithium AA cells or carry spare batteries to ensure uninterrupted operation. So, which GPS reigns supreme? It depends on your needs. But for a feature-rich powerhouse that won't quit, the Garmin GPSMAP 64SX is hard to beat. Need more specific advice? Leave a comment below and let's find your perfect match.